Ku yi muna subscribe sannan ku danna alamar ƙararrawa domin samun sabbin shirye-shiryenmu.
Chairman, panel of judges, accredited people, high court debaters, respected people of the desk, distinguished ladies and I call this municipal comprehensive secretaries. I stand here before you to support the motion which states that CCTV should address physical presence of security personnel in the school. Due to the following. Firstly, the CCTV cameras let us be rest assured that the security of the school is the most worthy hands of experts who allow the school authority to prevent crimes happening within the school. Secondly, other important duties of CCTV cameras include maintaining perimeter security in medium to high secure areas and installation within the school, observing the behavior of welcome visitors in the school, building and ground security, and obtaining a visual record of activities in situations where it is necessary to maintain proper security in the school. With these proofs of mine, I'm able to convince you not to confuse you that CCTV should address physical presence of security personnel in the schools.
Mr. Chairman, sir, panel of judges, accurate timekeeper, my fellow debaters, good day to you all. My name is Aisha Shehu, a student of Muqaddam Science Academy, Bissau. I'm here to oppose the motion which says CCTV should represent the presence of security in school. Mr. Chairman, sir, with respect to what my first speaker has said, I would be mentioning some of the facts that will validate that CCTV are a disadvantage in the school environment. Number one, a primary disadvantage of CCTV is the issue of instruction of privacy. Your staff may object to being filmed under a constant surveillance. It may cause your staff to feel like you don't trust them, which is never a good dynamic. Number two, another disadvantage of CCTV cameras is the cost. Cameras, monitors, recording device, and comes a time-saving technology, which adds to the bottom line. Mr. Chairman, sir, now permit me to elaborate on my point. I strongly oppose the motion that CCTV should represent the presence of security in the school because of the following reasons. My first point is the installment of these cameras affects the opportunities of individuals. This implies that many lose their job opportunities. These people I'm referring to involve security guards and caretakers. By this action, many lose their opportunities to have monthly income, which will be used to earn a living. Number two, school security encompasses all measures taken to combat people's threats and properties in educational environment. One term connected to the school security is school safety, which is defined as